Welcome to Are You Hungry Philippines? Today, I'll take you to the Peninsula Manila Hotel in the heart of the city of Makati. In this video, we will explore this iconic hotel's elegant lobby and pay a visit to one of its restaurants called Escolta. This is Escolta. This luxury restaurant serves a buffet of international dishes, including popular Filipino food. This restaurant has live cooking stations, home-baked breads, carving stations, desserts, and so much more. After a hearty meal in Escolta, you can unwind at the hotel's impressive lobby. The lobby of the Peninsula Manila Hotel in Makati also has its own menu of food and beverages. We hope you enjoyed today's video. For more features on food and lifestyle, follow Are You Hungry PH on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.